He said the doctor say if money dey to spend na 50-50. If he survive, if he not survive. But if money not there to spend. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time or you just did get post for YouTube, you just come across our channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime I post video here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. So for this our channel, now Tori, now we dey talk and now Pidgin English we take the knack our Tori. So today's story, it can concern one lady. This lady, now she come out, come talk, say, make anybody when you watch this video, make una shook una mouth put for the comment section. She say because it can't be like saying that she be the black sheep when it dey for the family. She said her father tell her say the time when she did 6 months, now her mama take die live there. Because her papa now 69 years old now, and she and her brother now only the 2 pikin now the papa gets. People they tell the father say marry another woman and make you born join children. The papa say la he dey fear he no fit marry another woman because he no wants wetin happen for goat house make it happen for fowl house again. According to the father make her to understand that when she did 6 months now her mama die live there, that her mama now the kind of woman wey be say she neat well. You get one parable when they use for people when neat well. I dey neat in no women. That they call them. When we say if they see dirty for anywhere, if they no remove their body, no go tell them. Anything that they do, any small dirty, if they no remove them, na lie. Now that kind of woman, I say in mama be. He says so when the mother born the first one, people come, they can't help her. So when he born the second one, because of the way the mama take do, when he born the first son, that is the senior brother, they not come like to come again. Because according to the way papa te explain to her, he say mama now the kind of person when be say nothing you fit do when go belle for her. If you help her wash clothes, the cloth not clean except say that she wash her by herself. If you help her clean house, the house not clean except say that she clean her by herself. He said that so she like to dey work. Nothing when you fit do as a cleaning when be say it dey okay for her. Even if say you help her iron, the iron not dey okay except say that she iron her by herself. Say that kind of person her mama be. So he said when his mama born her, now only one of the sister that come manage come. That one still try to still help. Mama say no, this and this. If you clean finish, mama still carry mop. You go reclean her again. If you do this one, you wash plate. You go say the plate not clean. You go carry plate. You go rewash her again. So papa say so tie herself. When be say night go reach, he just by mistake see one dirty. If he no remove the dirty clean now, his mama no go rest. His body no go tell her. He must make sure say he do everything one for inside house. She can't forget say she newly born, and if woman newly born, it dey take 3 months before the blood dey stable, because the blood go round. That's why they'll say not do anything, not carry heavy things, not to bed down, because the blood never stable. Mama forget that. So now so you can't do the cleaning, they do this, they do that. Before you know it, they happen. Blood can't hurt her brain. They can't rush and go hospital. Before they do everything when they want to do, she not feel survival now. So she can't take. Then the father now can't take care of her and her brother. So now, if brother dey final year and she still dey school, the papa begin dey sick. She say her father dey 69 years now. And the time when papa come take days 50 years, now that time God come begin to bless him. He come begin to see money. He can't just get luck to get one better contract. He can't build house and he can't get 2 extra lands. Papa dey sick to the extent say they don't carry the father go different places to make sure say he dey okay. You know they dey okay. They don't spend all the money wey dey for papa accounts. You know, still dey okay. They don't even know what they do. But now of recent, they can't discover what they do in papa. And the doctor come to say this kind of sickness when they do this man, so it needs money. That if money dey, it go be 50-50. But if money not dey, if he go. But if money dey, it go be 50-50. You get the chances of to survive. So after they spend all the money wey papa gets for accounts, the thing no improvements. They can't sell one land. That land money don still finish now. Improvements e not dey. And now the brother say he wan sell the second land and he go come remain only the house wey they get. So she come dey tell the brother say make he not sell the second land. Say because if person dey spend money for sickness, that the body dey respond to the treatment, you go dey get the joy to dey spend money. Say the body no dey respond and the sickness dey worse day by day, that they no fit come sell the second land again at the end say their papa no go dey okay. Now the senior brother say like say na him be senior, na him go decide say he must sell the land to take care of their papa. He come dey tell am say see the first land you sell am, everything finish, almost 2 million plus when dey baba account, e don finish. First land e don go. This second land now you sure say e go dey okay because e no dey respond to treatment. That make dem leave am to his fate, make God decide on wetin go happen. Say because if they still sell this second land, before you know wetin dey happen, na their house they'll come sell, they'll come dey street. Brother remember say na final year na e dey now, and she still dey school. They never strong on their own to say okay they'll fit take care of their self. The brother say no, say he must do am. So she come sit down, dey reason and say how or wetin she dey talk na bad thing. E can't be like say na she be the bad person wey he want wey make papa die. Abi na the decision wey he tell the brother make take, whether na bad one, he no know. Say because he and the brother now they quarrel seriously concerning the second land wey his brother wan sell and buyer don already come. That she come dey vex for her brother. But when she dey watch our program, then she come say make she still bring this matter come out to ask people say this decision wey she take so na bad thing. If na bad thing, make she go tell her brother sorry, make dem continue with wetin his brother decide. Or if not be bad thing, make he still know wetin he go do. He say because the father no dey respond to treatment as we dey talk. So he say the father no dey talk, he no dey fit waka, dem dey carry am dey go toilet, carry am dey go do everything. He no dey fit talk. How much more say they go ask am say okay see your condition now, wetin you want us to do? He go just open eye dey look them. Say so na make am him bring this matter come here today. So wetin una think about this kind of situation? I know say this kind of situation na a very hard situation or a very hard decision to take, because this kind of thing don fit happen to somebody wey dey close to me. And when I see the condition, I can't even dey fear to even give them advice say una no spend money again, because they were really spending a lot of money. I can't dey fear because sometimes if you give this kind of advice, it go be like say you be bad person or you no like the person. But at the end, the person fit survive. If the person survive, they come go tell the person say now he tell us say mo no even spend money for you, say and now you don't survive. But if the person not survive, they come remember say she really talk and say make them not spend money again, say nothing don't fit to. So na a very hard decision to take. And me self, I can't dey reason now. You understand? So now make me say okay, I will see tape one, see the comments when people will put down there, to know whether me dey right too or I dey wrong, or in case of God forbid bad thing, this kind of situation come, person go know what to do. According to wetin the lady talk, he said the doctor say if money dey to spend na 50-50. If he survive, if he not survive. But if money not dey to spend, nothing like survive, the person go just go. Now wetin the doctor tell them be that. And right now the man no dey talk, you know they feel move him hand, move his leg, you know they feel now they carry up and down. They go toilet, they piss, they carry and come back clean the body, they pee for your body and all that. So now be the condition of the man right now. And I don't know what you people think about this story. And again, for that in mama part, ladies, if you guys newly born, even you say your house dirty, manage am, because some people really dey like that. Manage am until you don strong. You feel no be say anything, just manage, do small thing you know say you fit do, no be doing to the extent of you come dey bed down, dey overwork yourself when you newly born. E no too good, because I don first see one woman wey this kind similar thing happen to. So if you newly born, just take all the rest wey you know say you fit take. Then if your baby don dey like 3 months, you fit, if you no get person wey go help you, if you fit get person wey go help you, call the person make come help you. Then if your baby don dey from 3 months, you fit clean your house 20 times if you wish so. Now wetin me think for that in mama part on, because I know say some people see be like that. You try to look for somebody wey go help you, and anything they do for you, manage am like that. If they clean your house, even though say e no clean, manage am like that. If you don't do okay after 3 months, then you shine your house the way you want am. And that one me get for that in mama part. So my people, I would like to stop this video for here. What do you really think about this our sister decision? Make it not come be like say he and the brother when we say they not get another one from anywhere. Only 2 of them will come begin they fight themselves over property, over papa sickness. E not too good. So she said she did the thing they bother her. So what una think? Mona leave una comment down there. Your comment is very, very important. We are not just here to talk. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will change situation of things. If you share our video, you are saving a soul. And if you share this video, you will really save somebody today, because I believe say people will pick lesson from this video. And I always pray for my viewers, my subscribers, my commenters. I pray for you guys that Almighty God will always send someone to support you in anything that you do in your life. If you call 1,000, we answer you. Thank you so much, my lovely people. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did it for you. So if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, use this opportunity to subscribe so that you go to hear more of our story. Thank you so much, my people, and God bless you. See you on our next video. Ciao. If
there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams